Hey, I'm Lane from Advanced Global. Today I'll be explaining how to fit your road base oversized banner to your vehicle. We have two types of oversized banners, one with ropes and the other with bungee cord and clips. Before we get started, you may be wondering why would I use an oversized banner rather than an oversized metal sign or sticker. The short answer is that Australian legal requirements state that you must use a banner when you can't physically fit a metal sign or sticker. An example of this would be on a hay truck, where it's impossible to fit an oversized sign or sticker to hay bales, but an oversized banner can be easily attached. Another example is farm implements that have limited flat surfaces to secure a sign or sticker. This is our banner with ropes, the most common banner you will find on the road. We're going to head over to Midland Trailers to demonstrate how to use this one.
I'll come out.
Okay, now we're going to show you how we tie our road base signature knot. First, you take the rope right up near your banner and just make three loops specifically, because we need to be able to pull this tight. So we need to be able to use a 3-to-1 mechanical advantage. Once you've got that, you just pull a little loop through like so, and then with your end of your rope out here, you wrap it around the end of the beam, just like that, up nice and tight. So now we've got our loops, pull it through the loop, and then you can pull tight. Make sure that that's fairway inside close to your banner, and once you've pulled it tight, just pinch this little loop section here so it holds. Once you've got that tight, just do a little half hitch around here while pinching. And you should be able to that will hold as is. But to make sure that it's not going anywhere at all, another half hitch around the first one. Good to go. The best thing about this knot is it's so easy to untie. I've just got to take the end of my rope here, pull, pull, undo the loop, your banner's untied. You can leave that like it is if you want for the next time you tie it, or you can just simply pull it out like so. So this is our banner with bungee cord and clips. Road base is the only place you can find one of these banners. The bungee cord's only about 500mm long, so it's much easier to store, and then clips are much easier to install. So installing the banner's pretty simple. We just flip it on. Boom.
Boom. Bam. Bop. Bada bop. Boom. Pow.
Other end. Very simple. You may have limited spaces to clip on to your trailer, but you can always just use the bungee cord itself. So we'll wrap around down here. That way it's very tight, but plenty of slack also, so that the banner doesn't tear when the load is in motion. And then the last end here, same thing again. And that's perfect. Just make sure it's straight and at eye level, nothing interfering with it. The oversize has to be completely readable. To purchase our road base oversized banners, head to advancedglobal.com.au, where we also sell a load of road safety products like flags, signs and stickers. We also have our long vehicle road train flip banner, which is handy for long vehicles and road trains where you don't have anywhere to stick a sign. We're a family business, Australian owned and operated, and we really appreciate your support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on roads, mining and farm safety. Thank you very much for watching. Before we get started, these will be the hard, like these middle few sentences are the really hard. To purchase our oversized banners, restart. Hey, I'm Lane from Advanced Global. Today I'm going...
I'm sorry.
Hey, I'm Lane from Advanced Global. There's a fly on my phone. To purchase our road base oversized banners, head to advancedglobal.com.au, where we also sell a load of other road safety products like flags, banners and metal stickers.
Metal stickers.
We're a family business, Australian owned and operated, and we really appreciate your support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and head...
You were so close.
It's really hard. Hey, I'm Lane from Advanced. Today I'll be explaining how to fit your road base oversized banner to your...
Vehicle? Yeah.
Hey, I'm Lane from Advanced... Hey, I'm Lane. Are we going? I'm videoing, mate. I'm trying to look at the light to sneeze. No, I can't. Hey, I'm Lane from Advanced... I'm just going to practice offset for a bit.
Okay.
An example of this would be on a hay truck, where it's impossible to... Hey, I'm Lane from Advanced Global. Today I'll be explaining how to fit your road base oversized... Hey, I'm Lane from Advanced Global. Today I'll be explaining how to fit your